Sometimes back, a colleague of mine sent me this drawing here. This one, it's actually of an object in third angle orthographic projection. He wanted me to show him how to draw it in isometric view, but I realized that this drawing had a problem and actually did 2 drawings for it. And what I came up with are these 2 drawings. This one here, for the first part that I discovered had a problem was this part here. This part here, as you can see on the front elevation, there is something like a hole here, something like a groove, but it does not project to this side, to the end elevation of our drawing. So I assumed that that part was not there, and hence I came up with this other drawing, this one here, this one that you can see right here. And the other part, the other drawing, this drawing number 2, I assumed that they completed the drawing and showed the part that was not projecting in the end elevation. So let me just show you something first. So what was to be shown was actually something like this. So we want to have lines here. This part here is the same as this part here, and that is what brought about this part here. And some would argue that one is actually the one that you should have drawn, but I don't agree with that, because if this part does not project in the end elevation, what if somebody else assumed that the end elevation was the one which was correct and the front elevation was the one which had the mistake? One could assume that. So I think if you draw this, this one, if I'm the one marking your paper, I'll give you the full marks for the drawing. And if you also draw this, you'll be able to get the full marks for the drawing. So just make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, share the video, because I'm actually going to make a video on how to draw this object here in isometric view.